Hi, this is Jennifer Scrapping Kane. Today I'm sharing a 11 by 8.5 layout using the flavors of the month for the scrap room. And this is Bella Boulevard, Love Grows Here. And I love the way this layout turned out. I have two cute photos of my son and my niece and my nephew all playing outside of my mom's house. And I just love like the look of the photos, and the little blue car was perfect for the embellishments with the Bella Boulevard Love Grows Here collection. And I got lots of cute little items that are going to work perfectly for these photos. I got that little car, a house, I got a couch. Not sure what I'm going to ever use the couch for, but I have a couch, and then clouds, and I got title pieces that say family and brother, a cute little puppy dog. um, I got a lot of really cute little embellishments, this little tag which my journaling is going to go on, and then a larger family title piece and more houses. And I just love all the little embellishments that were included. I love that wordy paper. I don't use that wordy paper on this layout, but I do have a plan to use it. There's something about the colorful words that I really like. I love the plaid. That's right here. And then the blue on the other side. We also received the beautiful blueberry cardstock again, which I used last month for water photos. And I love the way that it turned out. This big bold stripe is included in the pattern paper add-on, and I love the bold stripe that is included with Bella Boulevard. This one here is a tone on tone like teal, and then polka dot on the other side. You'll also receive the full sticker sheet if you get the embellishment kit add-on, which I love, and I'm definitely going to be using some off of that sticker sheet. This cut apart here in the enamel shapes, I guess they're not all the same. So some of them are flowers, hearts, and stars, I believe. Those came in the Shots of Life kit. So I decided to add Shots of Life to my kits. One, because I'm a very heavy embellisher, and two, because I just love all the products. I have to have everything. So being, part of the design team and ordering everything just sounds right. So that's what I did. I used the cut apart sheet as my background paper because it was white. It has black polka dots on it, but I decided to go ahead and gut it since I was going to piece other papers on top of it. And that was because I wanted to use a few of those tags that are on the back of the layout on another layout. So I decided to gut it, and it works out fine. You can't tell it's gutted, so it's fine. And that's one way to extend the life of your papers is if you gut the papers where you're not, you know, where you're going to layer other papers on top of it, you get more bang for your buck. And I love that. So here I added the yellow paper, which has flowers on it, and then the plaid paper. And then I'm going to layer up the orange paper right on top. And there's no rhyme or reason. I wasn't following anything. I just know with Bella Boulevard, usually layouts like this, where you have different sizes of papers and stuff like that, works really well with Bella Boulevard. Bella Boulevard's one of my favorites, and it's because of the bright colors and all of the cute icons with no words. There's no words on any of these icons. The only words I'm going to be adding are ones that are separate, and I'm fine with adding words, but when each embellishment comes with a word already on it, it's really hard to use that embellishment on the layout because it's distracting, I think. So I like when Bella Boulevard does it like this, where they give you lots of little icons and then they give you separate pieces that have the words. That little flower down at the bottom, I cut from the flower pot. I got a couple of flower pots actually with flowers in them, and I just wanted the flower, not the flower pot. So I cut it apart and made it work for me. The little house I think is so cute, and it matches with the trees, even though, like, I don't know how to explain it. The size difference because the house is smaller than the photos, but I still think it adds to the scenery look, and in the end I think it looks really cute. So I went with it. Over here, I'm adding a little bit of play foam on this piece here, and what does that say? It says happiness is homemade, which I thought was cute. In the final photos, you'll see that I added a black sticker from the sticker sheet that says together down at the bottom. And that was because I needed a pop of black over there on the left hand side. I decided after I had already shut the camera off. So, but you'll see that in the close up photos. Then I put the little car over here because they're in a little car. Even though it's a different color, I still think it adds a little bit of character to the layout. And again, I really like the way the layout turned out, and I think it's perfect for little kids. I did pop up the little car on Playfoam since the photos popped up. I wanted that tag to be able to tuck in behind that photo. You'll be able to pull it out, and it will have journaling added on it. I added family down at the bottom. That's from the sticker sheet. And it's because it was a little bit smaller than the ones I received in the embellishment pack. And then it says no matter what on the pink label. Up at the top, I already glued all the letters down. It says Grandma's House. That's the title of it. And then for the last little bits, I'm going to take some of these epoxy stickers and go and add all of the colors that are missing in those areas. So up here at the top, I'm adding green and pink and another little, I think I'm going to switch that one or try to. Anyways, I'm just adding little pops of colors here and there around the embellishment clusters. And I just think it turned out really cute. I added a little heart, a flower, and then a little tiny circle. I'll hold it up here, give you a little closer look. I think I was going to switch out that little circle, but I couldn't pull it up, so I decided just to leave it because I didn't want to tear the paper. And then here it says our happy place, which I thought was kind of fitting because the kids never wanted to leave Grandma's house. Grandma has lots of toys at her house, and they always want it to be at Grandma's house. So there's the black together word, and again, it just adds a little pop of black over there. And on the back of the tag, I'll add the journaling, and I think it turned out so cute. Another layout for my son's album. I will have links down below for the scrap room. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for coming by. Bye.